Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix BSOD error, and the error code you can see on this screen is 0x135 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing blue screen of death which is called BSOD error and the error code is 0x135, then I will show you couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just update your Windows. Click on this start menu, then click on settings, then in left side you will find Windows Update. Click on this Windows Update. Here you will find Windows Update option. Update your Windows, and after this completion of this Windows Update, you have to check your drivers also. For that, what you have to do, here you can see advanced option. Click on this. In this you will find optional updates. Click on this. Here you will find driver update. You have to just single click on that, then check mark all these options, then click on download and install. It will take some time. After completion of this, just close this window, then do the second method. Click on search menu, then type cmd, right click on this command prompt and click on run as administrator. In this you need to type sfc space / scan now, then hit enter. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes. After completion of this, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, do the fourth method. You have to just open the cmd in this run as administrator. After that, you have to type the another command which is chkdsk space / r space / f, then hit enter. After completion of this, just close this window and restart it again. That's it guys. So this way you can fix BSOD blue screen of death and the error code is 0x135 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.